Why can't I do
The
another
train now
trains?
approaching platform 1 is the 2008 Thameslink Connect, service to Sutton via Mitcham Junction, calling at Hendon, Brent Cross West,
What the
Cricklewood,
fuck?
West Hampstead,
700.
Thameslink, Kentish Town, London St Pancras, Farringdon, City Thameslink, London Blackfriars, Elephant and Castle, Loughborough Junction, Herne Hill, Tulse Hill, Streatham, Mitcham Eastfields, Mitcham Junction, Hackbridge, Carshalton and Sutton. This train is formed of 8 coaches. Platform 2 for the 2009 Thameslink Connect, service to St Albans City, calling at Elstree and Borehamwood, Radlett and St Albans. This train is formed of 8 coaches.
Giddy hoy! It's coming!
The train now approaching platform 1 does not stop here. Please stand back the edge of platform 1.
Man, it doesn't. Whoa, that one was not in service.
Okay, go in, let's go.
No, I didn't put it as a like 5 more trains maybe. How many trains was? What? No, there's another train coming this way. It's East Midlands. The 810. That was an 810. They just returned the old one, the old train. And hey, what is this?
Okay, let's go.
How many trains was that?
We have already gone past 6 trains. Next one is 820. Come.
Please, oh. Oh, bro.